For the second video of the important concept. Let's see, you have to expand this thing 1 minus 2x power n. The expansion of these two brackets means that you have to multiply the values inside the brackets, but this has having no any power. It's always equals to 1 plus x, but this power is having n. This question is having a power n, and then you have to expand it and then multiply, and then only you can just expand them. I mean, after multiplication you are able to show your expansion. So first of all, 1 minus 2x power n can be expanded as nc0, nc1 and nc2. Now let's see, 1 is discarded and you're writing minus 2x and minus 2x, 0, 1 and 2. I'm not taking other terms because I have to stay limited to x square. So I have x square here in my expansion, the last third term. So nc0 and minus 2x power 0 is going to give you 1. nc1 can be expanded as n factorial, 1 factorial and n minus 1 factorial. Minus 2x is as this is. nc2 can be expanded as n factorial, 2 factorial and n minus 2 factorial in the denominator. Minus 2x power square is going to be 4x square. Okay, let's further simplify n into n minus 1 factorial and n minus 1 factorial. Minus 2x, we have n into n minus 1 and n minus 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 and n minus 2 factorial as it is in denominator, 4x square. Now we further simplify, they cancelled out, n minus 2x is here, n minus 2 factorial and n minus 2 factorial you just cancel, and then you are left with, okay, and just go on. Finally in the expansion you get 2x n into n minus 1 over square and 4x square. The expansion is over. And now here comes the multiplication of this thing, a plus x 1 minus 2x power n. Okay, it means a plus x 1 minus 2xn plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 and 4x squared. So you are going to multiply a with a v number and x with a v number. So hence what's going to happen, a 2axn, okay, n minus 1 over 2 4ax square. This one is done, and x, now x will be there, x ones are x, 2x square n, and this x goes to multiply with this number to be giving us 4x cube. Now our expansion is over. It wanted to tell us in the start, which we did not consider. Now we have to consider that after you expand, you are going to have this, okay. So 3 minus 41x plus bx is square. Now you have to compare. So the first term, the constant term, is 3 in their expansion, and in our expansion the constant is a. So a is equals to 3. Now next, the coefficient of x, their coefficient of x is minus 41 and our coefficient of x is minus 2an. So this is going to give us minus 41 minus 2 3 and n. It's going to give us one thing which we have to consider before the comparison. That we are required to arrange minus 2axn and x to be arranged, and this is having x square is arranged with this number, and finally it is as it is. And now we have to take common out x to be common. We have 1 minus 2ax, 1 minus 2an. So here x square is common, n into n minus 1 over 2 4a minus 2n, and the third one as it is, the x cube, which we do not even require. Now comparison, here arranging okay, their coefficient is 3 and our coefficient is a, so a will be 3. By comparison, a will be 3. Alright, so the coefficient of x, 1 minus 2an is equals to minus 41. When you input 3 value inside, a value of 3 is inside, you are going to have 7, n is 7. And the coefficient of x square, you are going to have the coefficient of b. Their coefficient of x square is b, and our coefficient of x square is this big thing. So now let's do it. N into n minus 1 4a over 2 minus 2n is equals to b. Now inputting all the values of n as 7 and a as 3, so 7 into 7 minus 1 4 into 3 over 2 minus 2 power 2 bracket 7. So this is going to be 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 and over 2 minus 14. So this completely is giving you 238. So you are having a value, n value and b value. So hence this question is solved. Alright, I hope you find any problem, you can just